Assalamualaikum friends, here is mega bundle of logo with different file format, but these are protected password in this app. I know for lifetime. All password in this app and automatically update when I upload any video. And here is my Facebook page. Join me on Facebook, and last is Telegram channel. Subscribe this for latest notification of my any video. Okay, so here is volume 1. AI, EPS and PSD open in open in Photoshop. Here is 20 logo, so you can change our our control customize anything. Okay, now file. Here is font, you can download. Next is same thing. Here is different logo. Wow. Change color. Here is font color. You need font from web, link in text file. Red and text color red. So you can make more better. Volume 12. Amazing. Here is 40 logo, and all files are fully editable for Illustrator and Photoshop. Logo bakeries. I hope these are useful for you. Download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.